And good day, everyone. It's Shenell here, and today I have the reveal of my personal space, my office space. And you will see in a lot of the photos the befores of the room when it was painted gray a few years back. And I went in and repainted the entire room, filled in some holes, of course, as you see the blue pieces of tape on the wall. And also you'll see the desk makeover, and that was a video that I had recorded at least probably a year and a half ago. That is actually an old video, but I just wanted to bring that to you and show you how the desk came to be the gray color in the relic. Now you will see me pointing out also the doors on the closet. The trim work was changed out and it was made in a wider form around the doorways, and I refreshed the doorways as well, painting them in a high gloss white paint. You will continue to see just all the elements that I added to the room, things that I showed in the haul from around the house, and a few items that were purchased. And you will also notice in the room that I had a need for texture. I love the richness of natural woods. So I did use my existing big cabinet that I featured in the haul video. And then I also sprinkled around the room the other natural elements of the wood. Then I also wanted a glow of the gold. And you will see that in the accessories, and also like in the picture of the gold wrapped stones that are in the pictures, natural or the warmth of the age gray that is going around the picture frames. So I hope you all enjoy the video. I hope you get something from the video. I hope you get moved by the video, or just again, you just like watching the video. But I am bringing this to you. This is my space, designed for me. I was my own client, and I am definitely enjoying every moment of it, and I wanted to share it with you all. Thank you for joining me. This has been Shenell. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content here. And I did incorporate some pink in the room as well. So I took away some of the green and I just incorporated the pink, since I did do the DIY on it, because every now and then I want to see a little pink in my space so I can switch the items out as I so please.